What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be going over six step. You guys know what that is? One of the most basic steps you guys got to know being on the floor. Okay, so we did top rock, we did go down. Now I think you guys are ready to get down on the floor and learn some footwork. Okay, so the six step looks like this. Let me show you guys really quick. Boom, that's a six step. Okay, so eventually you guys will be going really fast. But for now, I want you guys to make sure that you execute each and every step within the six step. So, as usual, get into your home position, okay? You guys should be able to have this by now. You shouldn't be feeling unbalanced, okay? So, just like in the last video, you should have your home position down. You should know how to switch hands and be comfortable. You shouldn't be feeling unbalanced. You should have total control over this home position. So, to start off the sixth step, you got to make sure that you know which direction you're going to go. So for me, I go clockwise, okay? If you're left-handed, most of the time you'll be going counterclockwise, okay? So for me, I'm clockwise, so I'm going to start with my left foot, and I'm going to swing it around and go into a hook, okay? So it should look like this. Hook. That's step one, okay? Now step two, what you're going to do is you're going to get your right leg, and you're going to step back, okay? For right now, when you get into this hook, make sure it's tight, okay? You don't want to be loose and you don't want to be down, okay? Try not to be lazy when you're doing these steps. You always want to be strong and you want to keep your body upright. So, back to where we were. You want to get your right leg and step back. Boom, two. Then, after that, you're going to get your left leg and you're going to go inside with it, okay? You're going to step back again and you're going to put your right hand down. Three, okay? Now what you're going to do is mirror those steps and go backwards, but on the left side. So now you're going to get your right leg and step in. Make sure it's a big step. Four. Remember, switching your hands, okay? So you should have your left hand up. Now, you're going to step in with your left leg and make sure it goes behind your leg. Keep it tight. It's a hook, okay? Boom. Five. Now for the last step, get your right leg and swing it to home position. Six. Okay, so that's a six step right there. Make sure you guys execute every one of those steps correctly, because if you miss one, then you're going to mess up the whole six step. It's not going to be a six step anymore. So if we do it a little bit faster, it should look like this. Try to keep up with me. Okay, ready? Here we go. Step one, hook. Step two, step back. Step three, step back, put your hand down. Step four, step in, hand up. Step five, hook. Step six, home position. All right? So now, I want you guys to try to get in the habit of controlling that six step and going faster and faster. Okay? You should be able to extend yourself. You shouldn't be slouching or ever sitting down on your bottom. Okay? That's the rule when you're in footwork. Always use your hands and always use your feet. Never sit down on your bottom. Okay? So let's try to do it. Let's try to do it fast one time. Okay? Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy as that. Finish clean. Practice that six step. Good job, guys.